Kiwis are full of folate, vitamin K, vitamin C, and potassium. Ginger is another ingredient that has super properties when it comes to fighting off illness. It decreases inflammation, which can help if you get swollen glands or a sore throat or any inflammatory ailment. Peppers are a great source of beta-carotene, a precursor of vitamin A, retinol. Vitamin A is important for healthy skin, your mucous membranes, and your immune system. These vitamins in combination work in the body to build healthy cells, fight infection, and keep your immune system humming along. The inflammation system and your killer T cells that mobilize and fight cancer and other diseases dependent on vitamin K, which is in the kiwis. For those who likes it spicy, add more ginger. For those who prefer paprika more, add more paprika or kiwi. Simple. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to press the notification button below. Thank you for watching.